Hey News 12 team, it's David at Sprout. Wanted to send over a quick video highlighting some areas that you can schedule and publish content out through Sprout. So we're looking at the content calendar right here in the publishing section. You can schedule out content by going to the date and clicking schedule post. That'll take you to that specific day to schedule out content. Another area, regardless of where you're at in the platform, that you can use to schedule content is clicking on this compose button in the top right-hand corner. That'll open up the compose window. And from here, you'll be able to choose the accounts that you want to schedule content out on. If you want to schedule across multiple accounts, you can do that by selecting the accounts in the drop-down menu. And then if we want to have the same message and content for each channel, we can send that all out at once. If we want to customize them per network, we can start to create the content and then click customize per network. And then that's going to let us add in either adjustments to the copy or different images and videos per network, but we can schedule all of them out at the same time. Another area where we're able to start scheduling different parts of the content is within the media upload section. From here, you can upload images, videos, GIFs directly from your PC or from your phone if you're using our mobile app. You can also upload images from Binder, Canva, Dropbox, Google Drive, or if you've saved images, videos, or text inside of Sprout, you can use our asset library to store that content. When you click on that, you'll see all the content related to your images, videos, and copy. And then we can just select the images, videos, copy that we want to add into the compose area and click attach. And now you'll see all that content come through. You'll get a preview of what that's going to look like on the network that we're scheduling this content out. And you'll see that the other network that we did not make changes to is still at the original post. You can also add in things like first comments. So if we don't want to put the hashtags inside of the copy up here, we can add that in as a first comment on Instagram. You can also do things like invite collaborators, use approval processing workflows. This is something that we'll set up with you all as you start to move forward with that process. And then here's where we're going to start to label the content. So if this is about Social Security, we can click on here, find the label about Social Security. It's part of a larger campaign. We can also add that in so that it tracks all of that on the content calendar as well as in the reporting section. When we're ready to start to send this post out, we can either submit it for approval if needed, or we can select the type of post that we want to send. If we want this to go out immediately, we would select that. If we want to auto schedule this using Sprouts Queue, we can do that. That'll pick a date, or excuse me, that'll pick a time for you to send out, or we can send it at specific times. So we just click on the calendar, pick the date and time that we want to send this out, and then click schedule. And that will add that content to your upcoming content on the content calendar. You'll be able to see that. And then when we look at reporting, we'll be able to reference this with the labels and campaigns that we set up. I hope this is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.